Hi, this is Paige Evans here at Scrapbook.com with American Crafts, and I'm showing you my new collection with Pink Paislee called Horizon. I want to show you a fun technique today. This is a super colorful layout, and it looks like I used like 20 different pattern papers on it, but I actually only used 2, and you can find them in the 12 by 12 paper pad. So the 12 by 12 paper pad comes with 48 sheets, 2 of 24 different patterns. The paper I'm working with today is this rainbow wedges paper. And so I'm going to grab both of them from the stack. And you can either use a paper cutter or the edges are perforated, so you can just fold it over and trim it off. Tear it off. And if you want to be really ambitious, you can save these strips for future projects. And then you want to set one of them aside. You'll use it a little bit later. And take a paper cutter and carefully trim between the wedges. And you don't want to go all the way to the center. You want to leave about 2 inches or so. You can rotate it and trim some more. Now, if your paper cutter doesn't fit 12 by 12 paper, you can also use scissors. So we'll spin this around, and you can use scissors and trim. Again, you want to leave about 2 or 3 inches so that the paper isn't completely cut apart. So once you cut all the way around the paper, remember leaving the center uncut, you can either use your fingers, scissors, or an official edge distresser. And you want to distress all of the edges of all of the wedges. So if you're using scissors, you just want to scrape the blade back and forth along all of the edges. If you tear it, that's okay. If you cut more than you meant to, that's okay too, because you really want to have an overall distressed look. Once you're done with the scissors, you can even use your fingers and roll up the edges, tear it, bend it over, curl it. You just want to get it really distressed. That's what we're going for, is the ultimate distressed look. So you want to take some time and do that to every wedge. Once you have all of the wedges distressed, you want to find the same paper again and you put it on top. And I love how the original papers peek through, and it creates a really beautiful rainbow background. So then what I did is I lightly adhered the wedged distressed paper onto the background, and then I used my sewing machine and I stitched along both sides of the wedges, and then that kind of flattened the distressing a little bit, so I came back in with my fingers and distressed the edges even more. Now, since the background is so colorful and bright and bold, I wanted to keep the embellishments to a minimum, and so I added 2 photos to the center and I converted them to black and white. And the reason I did this, it just makes the colors pop. The colors of the original photo didn't match the colors of this collection very well. And so by converting them to black and white, it just makes them stand out, and now it'll match pretty much anything. And then to finish, I did the color on color technique. And what that is on the green section, I used green stickers, which you can find on the 6 by 12 sticker sheet. And then on this lighter green paper, I used an heart epoxy sticker, that little guy right there. I used chipboard stickers. So there's 2 6 by 12 sheets in the chipboard stickers. So I did color on color. Where there's green paper, I used green stickers. Where it's yellow, I used yellow. Where it's pink, I used pink. Purple, I used purple. Blue, I used blue. So you get the idea. Kept the embellishments to a bare minimum. They're only centered around the photos, so your eye goes straight to the center. To finish up this layout, I added some journaling here in the right section. So, I hope you are inspired to use these rainbow pattern papers and create a super textured, distressed background. And I hope you love the colors in this collection as much as I do. Remember, it's my new Horizon collection with Pink Paislee, which you can find at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.